In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-charge through Whop. We'll walk through the exact clicks to turn a product into a subscription, explain what each setting means, and share a few quick checks so customers are billed automatically on a monthly schedule without surprises. Start by opening Whop and signing in. On the left sidebar, select your business to enter its workspace. This sidebar shows your business name and icon. Choosing it ensures you're editing the right catalog. If you manage multiple brands or teams, pause to confirm you're in the correct one before you continue, so the changes apply to the intended product. Next, open the dashboard, then choose Products on the left. You'll see your catalog of items. Click the product you want to enable Autocharge for. This opens the product editor where billing and access settings live and where your changes will be saved. Inside the editor, go to Paid Access. Switch the pricing model to recurring. This tells Whop to create a subscription for new buyers and charge them automatically each renewal. One-time pricing remains as is unless you change it here, and existing subscribers keep their current terms unless you update them separately. Enter the price you want to collect each cycle, aligned with the value of your offer. Set the interval to months so charges repeat every month, then choose the correct currency for your customers to avoid confusion at checkout. Double-check that price, interval, and currency are exactly right before saving. These three fields define the subscription your buyers agree to. If you plan promotions or trials, make sure they're consistent with your pricing policy. When everything is set, click Save Product. Your product now sells on a recurring plan, and new customers will be auto-charged monthly based on the details you just defined. After saving, expect the product page and checkout to reflect the subscription price and billing frequency. If an option isn't visible, refresh the page or ensure you have editor permissions for this product. For smoother checkouts, clearly display the monthly price and billing terms on your product page. That's all you need to auto-charge through Whop.